Introducing Moon Audio's product guide for the Uniti Atom Headphone Edition by NAIM Audio. First, we will be covering the product features. To do so, go to moon-audio.com/brands. From here, scroll down until you see the NAIM logo. Once highlighted, click on the NAIM logo and you'll be brought to the brand page where you can see all of the NAIM products that we have. There is the NAIM Uniti Core Server as well as the Atom Headphone Edition. Once you click through, you'll be brought to the product page. Here you will have a general description of the product as well as the specifications and other additional details. How will you be playing your music? If listening via Spotify, Qo, Buzz, Roon, or Tidal, you'll be using the network connection for this device. This device has internal Wi-Fi as well as a LAN network connection found on the back. We strongly recommend using the LAN connection for the best listening experience, as Wi-Fi can cause dropouts with all streaming devices, including the NAIM Uniti Atom Headphone Edition. If listening off of a local digital source, such as a Mac, PC, or a game console, you have 3 digital inputs, 1 coaxial and 2 optical ports. It's important to notice that these are labeled 3, 2, 1. So if you wanted to select the coaxial port, that would show up as digital input 1 in the inputs menu. Additionally, if you'd like to play back from a local analog source, this device has a pair of single-ended RCA inputs. Local storage. If you would like to play back your music directly from an external hard drive via a USB port, you have a USB port available on the back of the device as well as on the front of the device. How will you listen to your music? If listening via headphones, you have a 4-pin XLR connection found on the back of the unit, as well as a 1/4 inch and a 4.4mm Pentacon connection found on the front. If listening to this device via speakers, you have a pair of XLR outputs on the back of the device, as well as a pair of RCA outputs. Press the power button to power on your unit. Select your input source by clicking on the Inputs menu found here. Continue to press on this button until the source that you would like to use is highlighted. Leave that source visible on screen for 3 seconds, and the device will automatically switch over to using the input you have selected. Play and pause your music using this button. Adjust the volume using the knob on the top of the device. Pressing the star button will open your favorites menu. Lastly, the headphones button will toggle between the headphones being active or the preamplified outputs being active. There are additional controls that can be found on the included remote. We will go through these very quickly. You got your power button, favorites, multi-room, inputs, a clock that shows time, your song details, your brightness changes, a directional pad with volume display, back, home menu, song details, your track playback controls, as well as your typical volume controls. Additionally, these controls can be found on the NAIM app. The NAIM app is available in both the Android Google Play Store as well as the iOS App Store. This has been the Moon Audio product guide for the NAIM Uniti Atom Headphone Edition. Thank you for watching.